That's not just numbers on screen. It's $978,000 from meme coins I created myself. In this video, I'm about to show you how I do it too. From launch to cash out, start to finish. Keep watching. I'm not gonna lie, I got worked so many times I lost count. Buy in early, watch the volume spike, and then I start thinking this might be the one. Then boom, the dev yanks liquidity and the chart hits zero. And I'm left staring at my wallet like a clown. It kept happening over and over again until I realized something. These rugs keep winning because they're the ones launching the coins, and I was the one feeding them. So I flipped it. I became the one launching. Now I drop my own coin, no hype needed, waited for buyers to jump in, and when the market cap gets juicy, I'm gone. Profit locked, wallet up. I don't trade meme coins anymore. I create them, and now I make real money consistently, no stress. In this video, I'll show you how to do it too, step by step. No code, no experience, just clean execution. But before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video is made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Let's be honest, if you're still launching coins on Pump.Fun, you're setting yourself up to get buried. That site drops hundreds of tokens every hour, and most of them never even make it past the bonding curve. By the time your coin gets traction, if it ever does, it's already too late. That's exactly why I switched to create tokens.fun. And here is the difference. Your coin launches straight to Raydium, becomes immediately graduated and also tradable, and shows up on DEX Screener in real time. No delays, no graduation system, no friction. This means you're live and you have full control over the supply, and buyers can actually see and buy your coin without waiting. That real-time access makes a massive difference. Higher visibility, more volume, better market caps, bigger profits. And you don't need followers, hype, or marketing to make it work. Coins launched on createtokens.fun stand out because the platform isn't flooded. You're actually giving your token a chance to shine. If you're here to launch and run up a bag, this is the tool that makes it happen. Skip the noise, use createtokens.fun, and launch smart. Make sure you keep watching. Let me show you how to launch a coin on createtokens.fun and why this site makes it so easy to win. You've got two options. The first is the basic one. Just create a coin from scratch, pick a name, choose a symbol, upload a logo, and done. It's clean and fast, and if you want to try out a new meme or your own original concept, well, this one is for you. But the second option, that's the real play. There's a copy trending coins tab built right inside the site. Click it and you'll see a list of coins that are already trending and pumping hard on Pump.Fun. These coins are filtered for you. They're not random, they're proven. All you have to do is grab one and launch it on Raydium. Why does that matter? Because with createtokens.fun, your coin goes live on Raydium instantly, and it shows up right away on DEX Screener and on the graduated section. No waiting for a bonding curve, no competition for attention, just pure exposure. So instead of gambling on new ideas, you're relaunching what's already winning, but on a better platform though. That's how I stay profitable. Copy what works, launch it where it matters, and let the buyers come to you. Alright, let's stop wasting time. We're going live. This coin, Chainlink, just hit my radar. It's at a $41.4 thousand market cap, and the last buy was literally 31 seconds ago. That's perfect momentum. First, connect your wallet. So let me just disconnect it real quick for y'all guys. After that, connect your wallet, boom, and then click on create coin. After that, okay, a warning will pop up, totally normal. Just click continue, confirm, I understand, confirm, and wait a few seconds. And there it is, coin just launched. Now if I click on view on SoScan, you can see that it's live and it hit the blockchain. The site works flawlessly, no delays, no code, no bullshit. Now let's move on to the next step and set up the liquidity pool. You'll land on a super simple page, don't stress it. Your token and your Solana balance should be pre-selected automatically. Under amount token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million coins in the pool. Now, in amount token B, you're setting the first buy. This is your own money, but you are not losing it. Since you are the first buyer, you'll get it back when you pull out the liquidity. I usually go with 0.4 SOL right here. It looks legit and it keeps things safe. You can do anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL if you want, depending on how aggressive you want to go. But once that's set, now you're ready to click on create pool. Your wallet will pop up. You will see in just a second. Yes, sir. Now after that, just confirm the transaction. After that, wait a few seconds, then hit on refresh. And if you scroll down, it should pop up, yes sir, docs, which is Chainlink. And as you can see, I'm already up $45 in profit. Now click on view on Photon. And boom, the coin is live. Oh my god, yo, the coin is already peaking. 5k in volume. Okay, now it's going down. Let me see who's buying in. Okay, we're getting a bunch of volume, as you can see. Now, this is completely normal because it is launched on the Raydium DEX. There's a bunch of like volume coming in by the second, like every single minute. Now, just ignore the market cap, okay? You have to be looking at the volume and at the liquidity because that's really important. The market cap is important, but not that much, okay? Now, also, if you want to check your profits, you can just head over to create tokenfast and then click on refresh. And as you can see, it went up. So, oh my god, we're already $3.4 thousand in profit. It's not pure profit because we had to put 0.4 at the beginning. But yeah, now, let me just check the chart real quick. Oh, it went down, bro. Come on. Let me just refresh one more time. Oh my god, yo. Okay, now it went down a lot. Shit, now as you can see, it fluctuates a lot, but you know, it's free money. Now I'm gonna do a time lapse and be right back to the chart. Okay, I'm back at my setup. Now the coin is sitting at 41k in market cap. Is going back. Wait, it peaked at how much? 60,000. That's not bad within like 15 minutes. Yeah, the coin is dying out a bit. Yeah, it's dying out a bit. I think I'm gonna take some profits out. So if you want to take some profits out, come to createtokens.fun. Refresh the page. Okay, 2.7 bands, that's not bad. Oh, it's going down a bit. Okay, I'm gonna take some profits out. So basically, you would click on the minus button, right? And then you would remove any amount you want. So I'm gonna do like fucking, I don't know, like maybe like 33, I don't know, 30%. Remove liquidity because I still believe a bit in the project, so I'm not that greedy, right? And as you can see here, I will be receiving 4 SOL. I think it went down a bit the chart, so it's less than usual. And then you would basically click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you remove the liquidity. If you want to do it again, just do it again right here to remove the rest. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see how much I received, yeah, that makes sense. I have $600 in my wallet, and yeah, bro, that's exactly how you do it. Oh, now the coin is going down. I think I'm gonna remove the rest, but yeah. And wait, before you click off, I'm hosting a 1 Solana giveaway. If you want to enter, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.